An immediate shelter-in-place warning is in effect for the following counties or areas. Your present location. Hide. Find somewhere to hide as soon as possible. They are almost here. They know what you did. They want answers. They want you. Hurry up. You have little time. Stop panicking. Seriously. Stop it. They can see you. They are here already. Do not underestimate them.
If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the northwestern Illinois area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.